Hello guys, it's been too long for my first update. And sorry for the mushy thing. It's my first try in Windows Ultimate. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how to record your computer screen in HD and also record your voice. Go to your web browser or just click the link in the description. It'll take you to the NCH software. Just download Debut. After you're done downloading, install it and then you'll see the screen. First thing you gotta do is for recording is click the red button. Once you click the red button, you can record your stuff easily. You can go to full screen, take a picture, pause the recording, stop the recording. You can also capture from devices like this, network, schedule recordings, buy online, suite. Well, that's all the main features. And that's it. Have a nice day and happy recording.